I do struggle with self-praise so much, so it is nice when you get recognised by other people. I did win a Franchisee of the Year award, I think it was back in 2010 maybe, so quite a long time ago, but that was a really nice achievement and didn't expect that.
I was very lucky and proud to get Franchisee of the Year. My kids were very proud as well, which was nice. And actually even better than that, we got the retail award for the amount of growth that we've done in retail. And to me that was quite important.
When I photograph all the vans together and then it's like, oh wow, these they're all mine. I'm proud of. And I meet people all the time, like old friends, and they'll say, oh wow, you're doing well, and you're an inspiration to me. I think that's what inspires me.
Every customer is really pleased with our work and with our service. Yeah, that makes me proud and make me, want to go, further with the business, and it's really rewarding. Every happy customer, another, job done well, and the way that our company grows and we can achieve more, and we can get more, the things like that just make me proud and make me want to wake up every morning and go to work.
We won a customer service award for providing, we had the best statistics for our customer service ratings across the whole of the network. And that, I know that's down to me and my team and what we're trying to deliver to our customers, and it's brilliant when you get recognised for something that you've worked hard to achieve. And since I won the first award, they kind of keep coming. I've had a few over the last sort of 3 years. We had one this year for our work in the retail sector. I said that we've been working hard on that, and we won an award at this year's conference, albeit a virtual conference, for the work that we've done to improve our retail operations. So yeah, there's loads of different things that make me feel really pleased that I've done it, and sort of reward you, not just financially, but reward you in other ways for the work you've put in.